Welcome back to SKIBIDI Tech. In today's video, I'll be showing you the latest and best working sideloading method for 2026 on iOS and exactly how you can install IPA files on iPhone and iPad. This method is completely revoke-free, requires no PC, no jailbreak, and it even works on the latest iOS 26. On top of that, it fixes and prevents the unable to verify app error that a lot of you have been dealing with recently, giving you a seamless, safe, and super easy sideloading experience. So make sure you subscribe and watch till the end of the video, because you do not want to miss any of this. First, a huge shout out to the sponsor of today's video, FlekStore. If you're looking for an easy and reliable way to install apps and IPAs on iOS without the usual limitations, then FlekStore is definitely something you need to check out. FlekStore is one of the best and most trusted alternative app stores out there, with thousands of users using it daily. Offers a Revoke-free certificate, easy app signing, and premium tools that actually work, making it perfect for sideloading on iPhone or iPad. In this video, I'll be showing you exactly what FlekStore is and how to install and use it step by step. So without further ado, let me show you how to get FlekStore, set up live container, and install IPA files without Revoke. First, open Safari, and then open the FlekStore link in the description. Once open, simply hit on Get and follow the on-screen instructions. Click on the Share button, and then choose Add to Home Screen. Now click on Add, and FlekStore should appear on your home screen. Now simply open FlekStore and navigate to Device. Here click on Add Device and allow the configuration profile. Now close, and then open Settings and navigate to VPN and Device Management. Here simply install the profile. After installing the profile, you will need to purchase a certificate. If you use my link in the description, you'll get 2 months of FlekStore Premium completely free, so make sure you don't let that offer slip. Here hit on Add Device, and then just allow the profile to see the certificate and premium status of your device. FlekStore's Premium Access gives you tons of cool features, so make sure to purchase and check it out. Your purchase certificate gives you access to their library, as well as access to the signer. Now let me show you guys how to actually install IPA files using FlekStore. Simply go to the search bar and search for Live Container. Now simply hit on Sign App, and then install Live Container. Now wait for it to install on your home screen. Once installed, open it and your FlekStore certificate should automatically be imported into Live Container. Now to install IPA files, simply go to the Apps tab. Here click on the plus icon on the top left and import any IPA file you wish to install. Hit on Install IPA File, and then choose your IPA file. In my case, I will choose the SKIBIDI executor. Now wait for it to install. Once installed, simply hit on Run next to it, and it should begin working perfectly, without the need for any jailbreak, PC, and without any revokes. And that's it for today's video. You now know the best and safest sideloading method for iOS in 2026, with no revokes, no PC, and no jailbreak required. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any future updates, fixes, or new sideloading methods. If you have any questions or run into any issues, leave a comment below. I reply to as many as I can. Thanks for watching. Stay safe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.